The next great event which will be discussed is the story of the Holy Prophet Musa, peace be upon him. His story is widely known and discussed in detail throughout the Holy Quran. For example, chapter 28 Al-Qasas, verse 7, mentions how the mother of the Holy Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, was inspired to save him during his infancy from the soldiers of Pharaoh.
And we inspired to the mother of Moses, suckle him, but when you fear for him, cast him into the river, and do not fear and do not grieve. Indeed, we will return him to you, and will make him one of the messengers.
This verse indicates the importance of trusting in Allah, the Exalted. True trust in Allah, the Exalted, is composed of two elements. The first is using the lawful means one has been provided by Allah, the Exalted, according to the teachings of Islam. The second element is to trust that the outcome which Allah, the Exalted, chooses will be the best one for everyone involved, even if a person does not immediately observe the wisdom behind it. The mother of the Holy Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, fulfilled both aspects. She did not remain in her home without taking action, trusting Allah, the Exalted, would save her son. She physically struggled according to the lawful means she possessed, and then trusted in the plan of Allah, the Exalted. Muslims should never be extreme and adopt one aspect without the other. Using the means is an aspect of trusting in Allah, the Exalted, as the means were created and provided by none other than Allah, the Exalted. It is why the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised someone in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2517, to use the means they possessed by tying up their camel, but to also trust that Allah, the Exalted, would safeguard the camel. Going on social benefits and claiming trust in Allah, the Exalted, is not according to the teachings of Islam. Those who behave in such a manner do not trust Allah, the Exalted, only the government. This behavior is only acceptable if a person is rightfully entitled to social benefits. A Muslim must use their means, such as their physical strength, and then trust Allah, the Exalted, will provide and choose the best thing for them in all cases. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.